never know.
Hey guys, it's me, Amanda. For those who do not know, I work at Sephora as a color consultant. Part of being a color consultant, we get this thing called Gratis. Free items, it could be skincare, it could be tanning stuff, foundations, primers, anything in the store. Whenever a brand comes in, they train you on their product and then you take it home and you try it out for yourself so you can sell it to people. Because how else am I gonna sell you something if I don't know how to use it? So today I'm gonna be showing you my last Gratis. I just got my Gratis like 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna randomly, this is it right here. And I'm just gonna randomly go in there and just grab whatever. First thing that I got was the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This thing is my holy grail. I love this. I love it to set my face under my eyes. I do find now in the winter time it is a little drying for me. During the summertime I love this powder. It's really good. Next is from Drunk Elephant. This is the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. I've been using this for a month now. This is the 1 fluid ounce. It's a 12% AHA BHA serum for night that refines and resurfaces skin to reveal a smoother and more radiant complexion while enhancing the performance of other products by clearing the way for maximum absorption. Really, really good if you have any problems with texture or like when you put foundation on, it kind of clings onto any dry patches. Have any hyperpigmentation, so like dark marks, acne scars from popping pimples, all of that stuff. It works really fast. Another skincare product that I got was the Caudalie Premier Crew Eye Cream. Caudalie is a really nice brand. It's mostly like anti-aging stuff. I haven't used this yet. It's a best-selling peptide-packed eye cream, laser focus on diminishing dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles for brighter, smoother, and more lifted eyes. You can apply before or after makeup to brown cheekbones for natural highlighting.
2 hours later.
Come on. Okay. I can kind of see how that would be used for like highlighting. Right now I'm using the Shiseido Wrinkle Benefiance eye cream, but if this is more for like dark circles, which I have, I might switch to this one. Pulling out the next item. This is from Buxom. This is the Vava Plump in the shade Come to Dolly. A shiny plumping liquid lipstick that delivers bold, intense color with serious staying powder. Comes in 20 shades. It goes on really nice. It looks like a kind of like mauve kind of shade. I'm gonna leave that in my hand to see if it dries down and I'll let you know. I also got, and look, there's like eyelashes stuck to it. I haven't used this yet. This is the Hourglass Vanish Stick, a long-wearing foundation stick with the coverage of a concealer, the fluidity of a liquid, and weightlessness of a powder for invisible full coverage. But I've been seeing everyone rave about it on YouTube, and I have used this on like clients. I feel like this is better if you have more dry skin. I want to see how this will work for me. I haven't tried it on myself. One, because I don't have a shade in it. Like this is the shade they gave me, Golden Amber. I mean, I don't know, that is not me. Maybe as a contour, or maybe I will use it like during the summer or something. So next up is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. It looks like this. I love this stuff. I'm almost done with my tube. So this is just a really nice hydrating primer. It has coconut water and probiotics, so it keeps you nice and hydrated the whole day. Little trick though, the half size is 0.68 ounces. The half size retails for $15 and the full size retails for $32. So if you get 2 of the half sizes, it comes out to $30 for the same amount of product as the full size, which is $32. So you save yourself $2. Oh, also from Hourglass is the Film Noir Full Spectrum Mascara in the shade Onyx. This is the mascara I'm using today. It's so nice. Like, it's so, I don't know if you guys could see. I just have the sample size. This is what the wand looks like. Looks like a smaller version of the Better Than Sex mascara. You know, that hourglass shape. It is a mascara that offers multiple lash fringe benefits in one full spectrum formula, adding volume, length, lift, and separation to lashes. This gave me really nice fullness, really nice length without looking clumpy. It's a very natural looking mascara. They are 100% cruelty free too, which is pretty good. What I have here is the Nars Soft Matte Concealer. This is in the shade Ginger. I use this every day for my eyebrows. It's a full coverage concealer in an oil-free, ultra lightweight cream formula that blurs imperfections as it conceals, smoothing the look of skin with a soft, matte, natural looking finish. I use this to conceal my eyelids, for spot concealing underneath the eye. It's a matte concealer, so if you have more oily skin and you hate concealers that tend to like separate around the nose, if you highlight, this is a really nice one. It gives really full coverage. I actually like it better than the Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is not as dry. Even though that one is Radiant Creamy and this is Soft Matte, this is better to me. Next up that I got is the YSL Tatouage Couture Matte Stain. This is in the shade 25. It looks like this. It's a lightweight lip stain with a revolutionary formula for ultra matte, high impact color and a lightweight naked lip feel. It feels very like lightweight. It does feel like those stains that are like watery, and it is right there. So the buxom did stay shiny and it's not totally matte. It does transfer. Okay, so the Big T Buxom Mascara. This I tried out yesterday. Let me show you the wand. The wand looks like this. So it kind of reminds me of the Smoky Extravagant from Makeup Forever. So it looked really nice. It didn't clump on me, separated the lashes very well, gave me a little bit of length. Really nice mascara. I'm gonna keep playing around with it. Next up, I got the Perricone MD Multi-Action Overnight Treatment. It is a luxurious multi-benefit cream that fights fine lines and wrinkles at night to firm, tone, and tighten skin's appearance. So Perricone, their products are meant to be used on top of each other in layers. They smell like fish, or at least they used to. Let's see what.
That shit stank, don't it? Ugh.
Wow, I felt that up here. Don't know if I'll be trying this out. This is the small sample size. It is 7.5 milliliters. Perricone is very expensive. The other Perricone product that I received was the oil-free hydrating cream. This hydrating cream won Best of Beauty from Allure in 2016. It is a lightweight moisturizer to fight the first signs of dryness, dullness, and fine lines without clogging pores. Next, what I got is from Makeup Forever. This is the 24-hour eye and lip primer. So that's pretty new. You haven't really heard of something that you can use on your eyes and your lips. So it's a 2-in-1. It is a primer for both eyes and lips. This formula fills, smooths, and instantly enhances color intensity on eyes and lips for up to 24 hours. Okay, it feels interesting. It feels very like hydrating, not silicone-y. It's like right there. And then I also got, this is new from Pharmacy. This is the Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm with Echinacea Green Envy Honey. Yeah, I butchered that real bad. So this lip balm is 3.6 grams and it retails for $10. It is exclusive to Sephora. What it is a 100% natural lip balm and primer. A 100% natural lip balm and primer in one that helps to moisturize, condition, protect, and prep lips with Echinacea, Green Envy, Honey Beeswax, and Kupawakoo butter. And it feels pretty good. I just put this right on top of lip gloss. So. Oh well. Yeah, it tastes 100% natural. I also got the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Lip Stick in the shade Madame. is a ultra slim lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish, created in a rainbow of weightless color intense shades designed to flatter all skin tones. I am so excited about this. I'm so glad I got this color. This is so freaking beautiful. I'm just going to swatch it. Oh yeah, look at that pigment. Oh yeah, it looks, there it goes. That's what it kind of looks like in person. So I wanted to buy this, but thank God I got it in gratis. But I'm still gonna support because I'm gonna buy Freckle Fiesta and Shoddy. Next, I have the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. It's an ultra purifying mask to deep clean, invisibly reduce pores. It is not a peel off mask. Oh shit! One of those ones that you just let sit on. This is a sample size, so they do not sell this size in store. I haven't tried this yet on myself, but it's a Sephora favorite. A lot of people love this, so I'm excited to give it a try. All right, guys, that was the end of my Sephora Gratis haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that. Show some love. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get into the groove of this and just keep pumping out videos. Motivate me. Tell me in my comments on my Instagram, all that underneath here, down below. Amanda, put out videos. Please, 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 please. I actually like doing this. It's just I have like no motivation, so. Alright, so thank you for watching.